This is all limestone rock. It is primarily made up of some sort of calcite. I want to come here again in winter because all of these falls freeze up in winter, but you would need snow cleats if you want to come here in winter. Whoa! That is very high. Welcome to the upper falls, 100 feet or 30 meters high. Sometime during the late 1990s, an extreme kayaker named Tao Berman attempted to go down the 100-foot drop and survive to tell the tale. That is crazy. I don't know why anybody would attempt to even go anywhere close to that waterfall. Tao Berman, hats off. That's a drop right there.